In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix website templates, how to choose the right one for your site. If you're building a website in Wix, choosing the right template is an important first step because it gives your site its overall structure, style, and starting layout. A good template can save you time and make the rest of your design process much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find templates inside Wix and how to narrow them down so you can choose one that fits your goals. To begin, go to your site's dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your website settings, design, and content. Once you're there, click Design Site. This will take you into the section where you can work on the appearance of your website. From here, look below for the Templates section and click the See All button. This opens the full template library where you can browse through a wider range of design options instead of just seeing a few suggestions. This is helpful if you want to compare different layouts before making your choice. At the top left, you'll see a filter option. Go ahead and click it. This is one of the easiest ways to quickly find templates that match the kind of website you're trying to build. Inside the filter, click Type to choose the kind of site format you want. For example, you might select a one-page template if you want something simple and streamlined, an e-commerce template if you plan to sell products online, or a blog template if your main focus is publishing articles or updates. You can also click Industry to filter templates based on the type of business or field you're in. This is useful because industry-specific templates often come with layouts and sections that already make sense for that kind of website. It can give you a better starting point and reduce the amount of customization you need to do later. As you browse, take a moment to look for a template that feels close to the style and structure you want. You don't need to find something absolutely perfect right away. What matters most is choosing a template that supports the kind of content and features your site needs. When you find one you like, hover over it and click Edit. That opens the template so you can start working with it right away. And that's it. That's how to choose the right Wix website template for your site by browsing the template library and using filters to narrow down your options.